I've been an ATP tutor for UniSA for 4 years, since 2012, which I started during my bachelor's degree. Since then, I have finished 2 degrees, including a Master of Teaching, and during that time, I was still tutoring up to 5 students a semester for around 25 to 35 hours per week. I tutored in the field of Indigenous cultures, Australian society, cultural studies, social studies, and Catholic studies. As an ATP tutor, oral communication was pivotal to my daily and semester-long success. On a daily basis, I was required to communicate the requirements for our tutoring sessions with students face to face and occasionally over the phone. I was also required, as their tutor, to communicate and teach them the necessary concepts and ideas associated with their course of study. This involved helping them analytically research, problem solve, synthesize, and then develop the necessary reports, papers, and presentations for their required course assignments. It also required me to help them draft, proofread, and develop their final papers for marking. I believe I'd make a great online teacher in these fields because not only do I have the proven experience in education, but I also have the passion and love for what I teach. During my first degree in Indigenous Cultures and Australian Society, I learned a great deal about the country I live in, which was not taught to me during my own education. Although a great deal of it was sad to hear and quite negative towards the country I love, it made me want to make a difference to the way in which other people are taught about Australia and specifically about Indigenous Australians. The passion and love for the subjects I teach isn't the only reason I'd make a great online teacher. I also thoroughly enjoy connecting with people in a meaningful way. The students I have taught and mentored continue to have contact with me as they continue in the working world post-uni, which allows me to continue to see them grow and develop as not only past students, but as their own individuals trying to make their own impact in the world. And this is why I would make a great online teacher.